Hey everyone, Prasana here from Medax OSCI Academy. Let's dive into today's OSCI topic.
Here are 6 reasons why our classes are perfect for you. 1. Expert mentors. Our trainers have UK nursing experience and have helped hundreds pass the OSCI. They guide you station by station and give personal feedback, so you know exactly what to improve to. Real OSCI practice. Practice makes perfect. Our mock stations mirror the real exam timing, equipment, patient communication, so you gain confidence and reduce exam nerves. With our advanced equipment and clinical settings, you can practice along with your experiences. 3. Flexible and supportive. Choose weekday or weekend sessions. Join a community of students sharing tips and encouragement. Learning together makes it easier and fun. 4. Unlimited preparation access. Comprehensive online and hands-on training. 5. Up-to-date NMC-aligned e-learning platforms. Study anytime at your own pace. 6. Complete UK nursing career support from NMC application support to job placement. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more OSCI tips. Medax OSCI Academy, your partner in passing the OSCI with confidence.